This drink may help you to eliminate joint and knee pain. Many people suffer from knee, elbow, and hand joint discomfort. Many people associate this with aging. As a result, many assume it is typical discomfort and do not seek therapy. When the body is in pain, though, it experiences stress. Untreated knee discomfort can damage the knees and cause them to shift. Excessive usage, bone density, and muscle and tissue wear and tear can all contribute to knee discomfort. A lack of vitamins is also a recognized cause of knee discomfort, especially if the body is deficient in calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Arthritis and joint inflammation are more likely in those who do not get enough vitamin D and calcium. Many individuals are also unaware that this discomfort may be cured with a natural medication that will have them pain-free in just a few days. The video today will go over ways to avoid and treat joint and knee discomfort. If someone has knee discomfort for more than a week, they may have a more significant condition than overuse and should seek medical assistance. It is also critical to have a diet rich in vitamins, bromelain, and magnesium. One natural cure that is particularly successful in treating and reducing knee and joint pain is a smoothie mixed with cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice. This smoothie contains silica, bromelain, vitamin C, and magnesium, as well as anti-inflammatory qualities. Pineapple contains vitamin C, which is very beneficial for the body's bones. Pineapple is also high in bromelain, which is an anti-inflammatory. Cinnamon promotes better blood circulation in the body. Orange juice also includes vitamin C, which can help strengthen ligaments and tendons. In order to make this smoothie, you will need 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, raw, natural honey, 2 cups of water. Cook for a few minutes after adding water and oats to a saucepan. Allow the oats to cool when it has been thoroughly cooked. In a blender, combine the orange juice, oats, cinnamon, pineapple, and honey. Combine all of the ingredients and, if desired, add water to thicken the smoothie. It is advised that you consume this smoothie on a regular basis for the greatest benefits. You may notice the pain from the knee and joints ease after 5 days of constant use of this drink. Give this recipe a go and then come back to let us know if it worked for you. Did you like the flavor? Thanks for watching. If you learned something and enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more remedies, recipes and tips.